Ever wonder why the stock market swings wildly for no apparent reason? The Fear and Greed Index is a tool that tries to explain it. At its core, this index measures market sentiment. It tracks how much fear or greed is currently driving investors to make impulsive decisions. The index is a simple scale from 0 to 100. 0 is extreme fear and 100 is extreme greed. It calculates this by looking at 7 different market indicators, including stock price strength, market momentum, and demand for safe assets like bonds. Ever wonder why the stock market swings between panic and irrational exuberance? Let us break down the Fear and Greed Index. The market tends to cycle between these states. When the index is in extreme fear, prices may be lower than their underlying value. It is a famous investing mantra to be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Remember, this index is a tool for context, not a signal to trade. Subscribe for more money basics and keep your strategy long-term.